Good morning, this latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian shares were mixed on Wednesday ahead of the May 1st holiday in much of the region, with Japan showing some strength in leading index shares. The Nikkei 225 rose 0.23% in the morning session, with SoftBank Corporation up 1.1% on strong earnings gains made by Sprint Corporation in the US. SoftBank recently paid $22 billion to take over the US wireless company. The Bank of Japan board decided by unanimous vote on Wednesday to leave its policy target unchanged, as widely expected. A Wednesday statement due from the US Federal Reserve kept trading ranges in check. Australia's ASX 200 fell by falling 0.2%, following a series of bank ratings downgrades. Yesterday, the US dollar, despite weaker consumer confidence, reversed some of the losses suffered against its European counterpart over the past week as a 5-day euro rally was halted. Weaker than anticipated German inflation numbers sparked speculation the ECB will be forced to further loosen monetary policy in a bid to foster growth. The poor reading hampers optimism that today's Eurozone CPI estimates will move into the central bank's medium-term target bracket around 2%. Having reached an intraday high of 1.3879, the block unit opens over half a cent lower, trading at 1.3809 this morning. The Japanese yen also suffered yesterday as US imposed Russian sanctions were not as aggressive or hard-lined as first expected. Wednesday is a big day for economic news, including what's likely to be the main event for Europe today: the flash estimate for April inflation in the EU. Eurozone consumer price inflation 9 GMT. With annual inflation slipping to a mere 0.5% in the previous report, the market's eager to learn if the worrisome deceleration in pricing pressure will roll on in April. Considering the current climate, another weak round of inflation data in today's flash estimate for April would create pressure for the ECB to act, and quickly. That said, analysts expect a faster rate of annual inflation this month, 0.8% versus 0.5% previously, according to a Reuters poll. It was the latest market news provided by IFO FX. Goodbye.